styling kit for Nissan Patrol. So guys, you want what is the name?
Nissan Patrol Pioneer Body Kit.
Patrol Pioneer Body Kit. This is the newest kit from GBT China for Nissan Patrol. Why is it new?
Yeah.
The newest model for 2020. Okay, let's see what we have for this kit.
It's time for you to give me the crown. Hold me down, give me the crown. Hold me down, give me the crown. You can let go of me, 'cause you're holding a trophy. Call me only, and everything will be alright. Alright. Alright.
Dun. This is our very new and amazing car. Look, it's just like Optimus Premier for Transformers. We call it Pioneer. It's really worth it. You see, it looks very big difference from our original car. Let's show you, introduce details for you.
So this Pioneer car, we make a big change for this grill with the black color and the chrome. So you will see this really amazing kit. The grill, the complete front bumper and the bumper lid, and we also changed the fog lamp and the LED turning light. So it's really a beautiful car.
Yes, I can assure all of you see it. You must want to buy it.
日の光が少しずつ空気を緩めて
Some people like to change to make the color of chrome. Some people like black.
Yeah.
So this you can make what you want. And let's see the side. We also have the rear arches and front light. We also have the running light. Electric
Wow.
running board.
This is amazing function.
Electric
When you
running
open the
board.
door, side step clean out.
Okay, let's see the
Close
rear.
the door. You see, this is the rear bumper.
Yes, we also make a big change for the rear bumper with big chrome with the complete rear bumper. So like you can see this frame, you can also make chrome on it, but mostly we like black color on it. So
日の光が少しずつ空気を
you
緩
can
めて
see basically the black one. Okay, let's turn on the car to see the amazing light.
Hello everyone. You see, this is the front of the car. This light, this place, all are turned off. Which also always running light. Looks very different. See this side fender wind. It's also with running light. Look like 3-diamond LED light.
誰かの声がする誰かをずっと呼んでいる日の光が少しずつ空気を緩めて
Hello everyone, you can see this is our Pioneer car and headlight, fog lamp and day running light. This is side fender winter light. You see, all looks very different. This side step is electric side step. We also have lights for the side step and fender flare. your car to a very high value.
Okay, everyone. So we also make a change for the interparts. We also make a change in the parts for Nissan Patrol, and you can see the electric seat, 7/4 electric seats, and always milk fiber leathers. So as you see, we change at the back side 3 seats, change it to 2. So the space you will have more space and more comfortable. And we also change the sport, so you can put more parts inside. And car. Here is the screen. We can adjust all the functions here. The electric seats. Front and wheel. Adjust the air conditioning.
誰かの声がする。誰かをずっと呼んでいる。日の光が少しずつ空気を緩めて。
在之前会议。好，可以了。然后开氛围灯。
And the light. So Catherine, how do you think about these interparts?
I think this interpass is very amazing. Like this leather is very comfortable, waterproof,
誰かをずっ
Yes.
と呼んでい
well-proof.
る。
Yes, that's why we change
日の光が少しずつ空気を
7/4.
緩めて。
So we will have more space
Yeah, yes.
and more comfortable.
5 seat or 4 seat.
Yeah.
And this is armrest box. It's also I can meet 90% people's requirement. Like this place can make it refrigerator.
Yes. We can make the change. Make the change. Make the.
Yes. This place can put two bottle white wine or red wine.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this place can put 2 cup water. Yeah. When you want to drink, just take it easy.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. And this place also can put
誰かを
some
ずっと呼
small
んでいる。
things in this place.
日の光が少しずつ空気を
When
緩めて。
we drive or don't travel, I think this meter place can meet one family most requirements to make your trip very easy and comfortable.
Definitely.
Yeah. If I think this one I really want to introduce to my best friends by it.
That's good. Sounds good. Okay, so here is all items which we would like to introduce to you, and that's all.
Yeah. We will introduce you another model.
Okay, Catherine. So at last, we also need to introduce an audio product. So what is it?
Yeah, this is our new design for the Nissan Patrol 162.
誰かをずっと呼んでいる。日の光が少しずつ空気を緩めて。
So this is for automotive, right? For all
Yeah,
car.
yeah, yeah. This is for old car from 2010 to 2016. You can see this front bumper. This is rear, and this rear together with front bumper. You can't take take it out. And you can see this is a black rear. You also can do it in chrome. And this place also can do chrome. All the color based on customers' interesting and favorable. You can do any color. This is just a simple fitting.
Yeah, so customer have many options. They
Yeah.
can make the color what they want.
Yes.
And you see before we also make chrome on it. Pretty much now for black.
誰かの声がする誰かをずっと呼んでいる
So for if
日の
some
光が
customer
少し
don't
ずつ
want
空気を
to
緩めて
change the complete body and fenders, so you can choose these bumpers. This bumper no need to change light bone and fender, just the front bumper and rear bumper to give you a new car brand facelift.
Yes.
So what about the rear bumper? Is it same?
Yeah, rear bumper is the same with this car. Same.
So rear bumper is same, just front different.
Yeah, just the front different.